How to change Snapchat country region. So the steps are so simple to follow. Now open up your Snapchat app like this. After you open Snapchat, go to your profile. After you open your profile, now go to the settings. Scroll to down. Go to this see my location. In this section, tap on this suggested place. So from this section now, tap on this tap to add address. So from this section now, if you want to change your country region on Snapchat, so now tap on this section now, add the street. You can just go ahead and choose a random street. You can just go ahead and search for random street on internet. Add the city. So from there you can just scroll to down, add zip code and add country. If you want to change the country, United States. So after you add the country like this, now you can tap on this save button. From there it will show your new country in this session. That's the guys on how to change Snapchat country region. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.